Hi friends, this is Technical Meher. In this video, I show you how can you change your Facebook ID name. Let's start the video. Open the Facebook. Now click here. You can see here setting and privacy. Open the setting. You can see here account setting, security, privacy. Open the personal information. You can see your name here, email address, your phone number, identity confirmation, manage account. Open the name. If you want to change your name, you can change your name from here. I have already a name, therefore I cannot change. See here a note, if you change your name on Facebook, you cannot change it again for 60 days. Remember that if you can change your name once, you cannot change it again for 60 days. Now click on review change. To change your name, write your password here. Goodbye friends. If you like my video, please like it and subscribe my channel for more videos.